tutorial, Guiding Star. The goals for this game are to find all the mushrooms you need for your elixir. Your cat, Star, will help you find them. Press C to send Star in search of a mushroom.
Guide me, Star.
She will sniff when she finds it. Rotate the camera with your mouse to look at her and follow the sound. To pick up a mushroom, press the right mouse button. If there's an enemy on the way, Star will hiss or growl and come back to you. Face the enemy to attack it. Left click to fire a spell. If you're hurt, walk up to Star. Hold down the right mouse button to pet her. This will heal your health. Now go forth and find all the mushrooms for your elixir. Your guiding star will always be next to you.